class, I'm making this quick video to show you how you can get the feedback that I'm giving on your assignment number 8, the rough draft for your first essay. Want to make sure it takes me like 15 minutes to make comments on all of these, so I want to make sure that you're seeing the comments that I make so that you can do your very best on the final draft and make the edits that you need. All right, so you see I'm on my screen here. I'm in student view. So there's a couple ways you can go and find where the comments are. The one thing you can do is look at your grades. You'll probably get like the little circle that shows you have a new grade in. So if I go down to assignment number 8, you'll see the little conversation icon right here, which shows that there's been a comment left. If you want to see that comment from grades, you can go here. All right. If you'll also see, I should point out, you'll also see a box here. I hope yours isn't going to be green. I actually used an essay from another semester, and that's why mine is showing as all red, 100% plagiarized, because it is an essay that a student turned in a different semester. So obviously it would show up as plagiarized. But yours will hopefully be green, which would indicate that there is not plagiarism. So you'll open up the document. I'll name the document your name. So you can open up the document then. It'll open up in Word. You'll see, again, these little comment boxes. So rather than click on each one thing you can do is go to the Review menu. Over here it says Simple Markup. If you change Simple Markup to, oops, I put no markup on accident, to All Markup, then it's going to show you all the different comments that I made. They'll just all come up at the same time. So you can see all the comments that I made. Okay, so that is the one way you can do it, is through looking at grades. The other thing you can do is just open up that past assignment from modules. If I went to my assignment number 8, okay, again, see it says comments, and then I'll have an attachment with the comments. Also, if you haven't been able to find the peer review, this is where you would find your peer review, where it says assigned peer reviews right here. If you have any questions or you're not able to see the comments, please get in touch with me. Please send me an email. Otherwise, good luck, and please take some time to look at those comments. Thanks. Bye-bye.